How to enable or disable assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on instruction and dexterity. So after click on instruction and dexterity, so you will see assistant menu is here. So if you want to enable assistant menu, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see assistant menu is turn on and enable. So if you want to disable assistant menu, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see assistant menu is disabled. So you will enable or disable assistant menu from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can enable or disable assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.